Hi, in this blend video I'm going to show you how to give an object that's running a fixed body simulation initial velocity and rotation. This is quite easy to do and you don't have to change the gravity to do it. However, there are a few gotchas that you need to watch out for. Let's get started. So for this video I'm going to use the default cube where it starts. I want it to start off at 0, 0, 0. I'm going to press the I key to lock in its location and rotation. Now the first gotcha that we're going to come up to is you have to give it at least 4 frames of movement. Otherwise your object will move to the destination and then just stop, and the physics will take over and do whatever it does. It won't have any initial velocity or rotation. So I've moved it to the frame number 4. I'm going to make it go up a bit. I'm going to make it go the y-axis bit. I'll even give it a rotation. So I'm using the key shortcuts here that you can see down in screencast. Let's give it rotation x-axis, rotation on the y-axis, and rotation on the z-axis. There we go. Right, now I need to lock in this location as well. So I'm going to do location I to put in a keyframe, location rotation, and we're going to go back to our first keyframe and just run it. So now it'll go to where it is and stay there. We don't have the physics simulation running yet. So we're going to go to the physics simulation, which is this one, and we're going to do rigid body. It's active. Now to start off with, we need it to be animated. So we're going to set this on, and we're going to create a keyframe here. And then we're going to go to our next set of keyframes. That's where it's going to go to. Now we're going to turn animation off. This is immediately going to go back to where it is. Don't worry about this. This is the other gotcha. This is where everyone goes, oh, it's gone back to where it was. I've got a problem, it's not working. It's fine. So we've turned that off, and we click on the keyframe again. And now, when we go here, our object goes flying off. It's obviously giving it a start velocity. You can do your own math. I'm not going to do it for you. You can figure out distance and number of frames depending on your frame rate and everything. But that just gives you an idea of how to get it moving. You can do that anywhere else. You can switch it to animated and move it around. Bear in mind that it will stop to do the animated routine, so you need to be careful on that front so that it doesn't look unnatural. Right, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, I can show you what happens if we take down the frames down to 3. Now if we go back to our beginning, that's what happens. Just doesn't like it. Don't know why. Doesn't work. Go back to 4 and play. Whee! Actually, I think it's technically 3 frames between them, but yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Have a good day.